Triaba review, make money online. In this video review, I will share my experiences with you if Triaba worth your time or not. Truly, myself, I have tested the series. So before we start, please don't forget to make a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a comment below. This to get started, I'm going to give you an answer look if Triaba worth joining or is it just a waste of time. It's actually very easy and simple to use, and that you should know about Triaba. I've been bad myself. It's definitely a legit service side, and later in this video I'll show you proof of this so I can vouch for it being legit. You don't actually have to log in, you just log in to when you want to fill out your profile questions. You can be matched with survey, so all these do your whole profile. You will get the surveys like invitations via email. When you want to get paid, so you just have to click these invitations in the email to see if the surveys are there. You should log in. There is actually not much inside. You don't have to go to the survey panel. I will just try to log in to show you proof that I have actually been paid. You logged into Triaba. You have to main settings, that's the profile. It's actually very simple and easy to use, and then in the rewards section you have the reward profile is the basic information about you. You can see the rewards when you need to get your rewards. Depends a little bit on your country, and most countries it offers sometimes gift cards and of course paper. It depends on your country, as I said, or you can donate to charity. I have been paid out several times by Triaba here, as you can see, and compared to others it doesn't give the huge amount of opportunities, but it does pay out without problem. It's not like other service sites. You get a limited amount of service where you have many daily opportunities, so I wouldn't recommend joining it as an extra site. Triaba is a legit service site, and if you just want to join the survey house with the most opportunities on Triaba, I have experienced that several times myself. It does pay out. It's a legit service site, and you can see all the countries here. It's available in 63 countries, as you can see down here, so it can be worth considering if you live in one of those countries. And if you want the top paying ones, I would recommend only considering as an exercise. There are sites that are better to join in my experience, so please don't forget to make a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a comment below.